I got a piece of salmon, a fillet of salmon, very simple. Took our hard-boiled eggs, let them cool. I split them. Ask them, they'll tell you. Took all the egg yolks out. Just sort of fork the egg yolks a little bit now. First, I'm going to use a little salt and season that side. And then I'm going to add a little fresh ground pepper. Take some sugar like this. So you dredge your fillet of salmon in the sugar. Watch this. Watch this. What you do now is you take it, you flip it over. Look at that. Once it cools, what I do is I take the salmon and I flake it. Put it inside of my egg yolks like this. I've got a little lemon juice, which is going to wake up those eggs a little bit. A little shallot, or you could use onion. We'll take a little mayonnaise like this, and then what we're going to do now is we're going to make this caramelized salmon sort of egg salad, if you will. Is I just take the egg like this, and I just fill it like this. Yeah. I just fill it like this, you see? Which works great, and it doesn't break down the salmon a little bit. Then to garnish this thing, I just take a little caviar like this. Just a little caviar like this. Look at that. Look how perfect that is. All right?